If you go on the internet right now and search for how to heal your PCOS, you will only get overwhelmed because people will tell you to cut out dairy, gluten, take 15 different supplements, and some crazy workout. But let me tell you, if you're just starting your PCOS healing journey, it does not have to be complicated. Healing is actually just going back to the basics. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you tapped on this video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 5 basic things you need to focus on to reverse or manage your PCOS all naturally without relying on medication. Number 1 is strength training. So when you have PCOS, your goal is to stay active and build a little bit of muscle, and don't worry, that won't make you look masculine and like a bodybuilder. You can go to the gym if you like that environment, or just roll out a mat and grab a pair of dumbbells and do some easy home workouts. The location where you do your workout does not matter. The end goal is just to stay active and challenge your muscles few times a week. Number 2 is having a balanced and nutritious diet, and it does not mean you have to starve yourself and eat less, because that is going to cause your body more stress, which is going to make your PCOS symptoms worse. Instead of thinking what you need to cut, I want you to think what you need to add. You just have to ensure that every time you eat, your plate should have 4 things. First is having a good source of protein. If you're a vegetarian, you can have paneer, soya chunks, tofu, rajma, chickpeas, Greek yogurt. Second is healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds, and try to cook your meals in ghee. Third is complex carbs like oats, millets, and quinoa. Fourth is a lot of fiber. You can also get that fiber from veggies. Now, protein and fiber will keep you full for longer and won't let your blood sugar spike. And it's okay to not have a balanced meal 100% of the times, but the goal is to add nutrition to your food and not just empty, unhealthy calories. Number 3 is staying active throughout the day and not being lazy and lethargic after just 1 hour of gym. And the easiest way to do is walking. Walking. I know when you hear 8 to 10k steps, it sounds like a lot, and it can be a little difficult in the beginning when you're not used to it. So initially you can start with an aim for 5 to 6k steps and then gradually increase it. But I promise you, once you start tracking your steps, it becomes a fun little game. Number 4 is getting a good 7 to 8 hours of sleep every single night. As women with PCOS, our bodies are constantly fighting inflammation, so proper rest is a necessity. When you don't sleep good enough, your body produces cortisol, that is your stress hormone, and high cortisol levels completely ruin your hormonal balance, which show up as symptoms like acne, hair thinning, and much more. So getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep give your time body to heal and repair. Fix your bedtime, put your phone a little away so that you cannot reach out to it. Start treating your sleep like it's the most important part of your day. And finally, number 5 is nature therapy. Please, for the love of God, do not shy away from nature, because almost every single girl dealing with PCOS has extremely low vitamin D levels, and vitamin D is extremely crucial for hormonal health. Make it a habit to go sit early in the sunlight for just 10 to 15 minutes. Drink your tea outside, take some deep breaths, and soak up that natural vitamin D. Spending time in nature not just grounds you, it also lowers your cortisol levels, and it instantly calms your nervous system and your overstimulated brain after all of that scrolling. I know it sounds too simple to work, but it is incredibly powerful once you start it. And that's it. Those are the 5 basic things that help you heal your PCOS naturally. If you start doing these consistently, you will start seeing massive changes in your body. You will start getting your energy levels back, your symptoms will calm down, and you won't have to rely on medications for your recovery. So please stop complicating PCOS healing and start with these basics. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments which habits are you going to focus on. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye.